I'm thrilled to announce that due to popular demand, we are reopening enrollments for the new class in October. Led by Dr. Rosie Thomas, CEO and accountant, and Yolanda Mathis, an IRS veteran, this course received rave reviews from over 100 students last time. Now, we're ready to do it all again. In this comprehensive class, you'll learn filing requirements, income basics, deductions and credits, interest and dividend income, itemized deductions, retirement contributions and distributions, self-employment income schedules A and C, and an introduction to tax depreciation. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your tax knowledge, this is your chance to gain practical skills and confidence. This is open to both individual participants and teams. Classes are starting soon and spots are filling up fast. Click the link to register and join us on this learning journey. Let's make this tax season your best yet.